This is how you choose the correct side to trade on the market. Just watch the market and listen to what it tells you. I need you to listen clearly to what I'm saying. We have two trends over here, an uptrend, a broken one, and a downtrend. We are watching at a breakout on this uptrend. You can see how we have nicely gone. We take a buy signal. We are late, but it's okay. We take a buy. This is a big trend. It means it will retrace further. Now we can already see another uptrend, a small uptrend over here. Let's just point it out so that we don't forget about it. Now listen carefully. When choosing the market, you don't have to be rigid. You have to change. It's either a buy or a sell. Remember that. It's not a buy always, it's not a sell always. So here you only have rules that define if you're making a buy or a sell. For our instance, we are making a buy since there was a breakout on our downtrend. Okay, so we already have a rule that we are following. So we're just gonna watch on this market and see what happens. If you also watch clearly on this trend, the mini trend that we have over here is having a retest, meaning that will be a sell signal after it hits that top. So we're just gonna wait for this first trade to finish. And if you guys notice, just looking at it keenly, you can tell that we will also have a retest on the other bigger trend. So we have our first trade. This is a retest. We go on a sell now. I count this as a retest on our trend line. Okay, so I'm not always on a buy because a trend line has been broken. You always have to watch the market and listen to what it tells you. We are listening to this market. It tells us we have a retest on this uptrend, small uptrend. No matter how small, it's still an uptrend. So we take a sell trade over there and wait. Now if you just look again closely, the downtrend is almost being touched, meaning that's a retracement slash a retest. So if we get this retest over here, we are still gonna take another trade. The next candle will tell us where we are going. If it closes below the trend line, we are going low. If it closes above the trend line, we are going high, and it's already bullish. So this is a great sign that we are still going up. So chances are that this candlestick will just close above. You understand that? Now another point is, when does a trend end and when does a trend start? First of all, let me tell you guys, you never know when a trend starts, and a trend ends when it's broken. Alright, see, we have a retest, we took a buy trade, and now we are going up. Always remember to update your lines, guys. So just looking at this market, you can tell also it's like we are trying to channel a bit. Right, let this trade finish fast. Alright, on this chart you can tell that we are already trying to channel a bit. You can see how the market moves. Just look. Now we'll place two horizontal lines on this chart, which tells us where the market is. You see the market is ranging right now. Remember, these are key support and resistance zones. Now we have retested on our trend line, and we are retesting on a support zone. This candle is very bullish now. Just watch it. It's going very strongly upwards. Now this is clearly a buy signal. We cannot sell at this point. So we'll just have to make a buy. Oh, the candle is closed. We'll just have to make a buy signal and then continue trading with the market. So when the market hits the resistance, we pause our trading until we see where the market wants to go next. So if you guys just notice, we are just trading on retest. First retest, I should point it out, first retest, second retest, third retest right now, and it's clear to us how we are going, right? So Thanks guys for watching. This is 5 minutes of your life that you will always value. See you later. Okay, remember to subscribe, share this video, and like the Facebook page.